Welcome back, Rozzy Grows. Now we're inside the crypto.com wallet, and in this video, previously we sent Bitcoin from the Cash App wallet to the crypto.com, but that's not what we're talking about in this video. So, right now, we just deposited the Solana from the Helium wallet, and right now we're waiting for that Solana to hit into this exchange so that we could then later on go on eBay and spend on a few things that I need to get for the school to build. But this is currency that you can use for whatever you may choose to buy, whether if you need milk, diapers, whatever you may need. But this is what we're doing, guys. Stay tuned.